Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, please check the description below. I have added important links and the latest update about Fiverr that will help you to avoid problems and save money. So don't forget to look there after watching. Today I want to talk about some common mistakes that many Fiverr buyers make. These mistakes cause buyers to waste time and lose money. If you are planning to buy services on Fiverr, it is very important to know what to avoid. So let's get started. The first mistake many buyers do is not reading the gig description carefully. Sometimes people see a cheap price or a nice title and order without understanding what the seller will actually do. This causes problems because later the work may be different from what you wanted. It is important to read everything in the description. You need to know exactly what is included and what is not. For example, if you want a logo with 3 revisions but the gig says only 1 revision, you will have a problem if you want more changes. So always take your time to read and understand the gig before buying. Another big mistake is ignoring reviews. Reviews are comments and rating from previous buyers. These reviews tell you if the seller does good work or not. If you see many bad reviews or no reviews at all, it is better to be careful. Some buyers ignore this and only look at the price and pictures. But reviews help you to avoid bad freelancers. The third mistake is poor communication. Many buyers do not talk to seller before ordering. This is a problem because if the seller does not understand what you want, the work will not be good. Always send a message first. Tell the seller about your project and ask questions. See how fast and clearly they reply. Good communication before buying saves you time. And another mistake is choosing the cheapest gig without thinking about quality. Sometimes buyers want the lowest price only, but cheap work can be low quality or late. You might get poor results and then pay again to fix it. It's better to choose a fair price. Fiverr has sellers for every budget. Try to find a balance between price and quality. Finally, many buyers forget to check the delivery time. They want the work fast, but the gig may take many days. Always check how long the seller will take. If you need a fast job, find gigs with quick delivery. If you are not in a hurry, you can wait for better quality. If you avoid these mistakes, you will save a lot of time and your money when buying on Fiverr. Remember to read the description, check reviews, communicate well, balance price and quality, and check delivery time. And check the description below for useful links and tips that will help you to find good freelancer. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.